Hi, I'm Tom Dieterich. I'm 95.5's Community Manager, and I just want to give you a quick tour of Five Online and also encourage you to register for a free account. Doing so gives you access to a much richer set of information that's going to help you as a sales professional. Now, if you don't sign up or if you're not logged in, you can, of course, peruse our forums. You can't, however, participate in the conversations. You can comment, though, on our blogs, and you can also sign up on our events. So, what's the advantage? Let me show you. We'll click the Join the Community tab here, and we'll just say Get Started for Free. Basic registration information. I'm just going to create a fictitious account right now and show you what changes. Alright, so after registration, as you can see, the view does change. This is our featured area. It changes every morning. You can actually scroll through and read the last 5, or up here to the archives. You have access to our daily news feed. That's also viewable from the forums. You can make friends, or connections as we call them, send in mail, update your profile with all the usual stuff. You can use your real name or a nickname. You can specify your company, keep that blank. You know, all the stuff you're used to there, hobbies and so forth. We have an asset library. You can upload or download information such as PowerPoint presentations, templates. You can join a group or create a group. Keep a journal of kind of what you're doing or learning that you share with your friends. Our blogs are updated every day, and they're a very popular destination with our community. But the forums, now that's where the action is, because we've got a wide variety of people, both new to sales and veteran sales representatives and sales leaders, actively engaging every day. They're asking questions, they're giving advice, they're sharing stories, they're telling jokes, and they're basically a community of professionals. I welcome you to join us. It's fast, it's free. Come on in, the water's fine. This is Tom Dieterich. I'm 95.5's Community Manager, and thanks for listening.